We are, in fact, just working on that, and we are discussing with all our team members, our officials. We all have to appreciate that this is a very complicated subject. We also have to appreciate that it is a very sensitive subject. This is affecting a lot of people. So hence, we need to ensure that while we try to resolve this issue and move forward, we need to take all stakeholders on board. And hence, the process of discussion and consultation will start. We will be soon calling the meeting. Within this week itself, we'll be having an internal meeting of the government. And it will take some time for us to go through all the documentation paper, the court orders, the proper interpretation of all of that. And after the discussion takes place, we will expand it further to political parties, then we'll further expand it to stakeholders. And then after taking everybody on board, then we will figure out how we should move forward.
Will it be a retrospective or prospective?
So that's what I'm saying. So it's a very sensitive topic. We have to look at all the aspects. We have to look at the court order. We have to look at different issues that are there. Once we look at all of that and once we consult with all the stakeholders, then we will take the appropriate decision. I've always believed, and I've always been very clear in my mind, that all these issues that we see when in social issues that we are seeing, these are all related to economic development. So therefore, there are many ways to get economic development, and people feel in certain regions that having a winter capital or others will allow the economic development and policy making to come in. So therefore, these demands have been there. Government has been very clear in its policy that we have been very, very development oriented. We have been working at ensuring that we are able to push the private sector, entrepreneurship. So we are hopeful that these aspects also will allow us to move towards the ultimate objective of having overall development.